Looking for furnace installation and replacement in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how crucial it is to have a reliable heating system, especially during Alberta's cold winters. Whether you need a new furnace installation or an efficient replacement, our certified furnace installers ensure a smooth, hassle-free process with fast service and no hidden fees. We install high-efficiency furnaces designed to lower heating costs while keeping your home warm and comfortable. As local heating experts, we understand the unique climate challenges in Sherwood Park and provide tailored solutions to maximize performance and energy savings. For expert furnace installation and replacement, trust Kingstree Plumbing, your reliable local HVAC specialists. Call 780-695-2792 or book online today.